Well, now my washing machine is starting to smell Whirlpool Duet. Listen to this. Think we have a drainage problem. Down here at the bottom, there's these little tiny bolts way right there. Take those off. There's one on each side. They have put this bolt in a worse place. My goodness, I can't freaking... Yeah, I had to prop a boot under here. Steel toe. I'm gonna use this screwdriver extension. Alright. Money shot. Whatever, I'm gonna unscrew that screw. Screws are out. Let's take a peek, shall we? There's one in the middle. There's three. I gotta put all this shit. Alright, here we go. Get him. Get him. Damn cover. Check out the cover. Alright guys, as soon as I pull this off, water is going to come out. And it's going to splat all over the floor. So I need to find something to slip under here. But I can't fit this cookie sheet under there because... Alright guys, here goes nothing. Let's see how it goes, huh? See you on the other side. Ooh. Oh, it's coming out. Water's coming out. Smells like shit. Smells like somebody took a shit in my washing machine. Alright. I'm going to drip this on the floor. But this needs to be cleaned. Look at all this gunk. I just wanted to show you. Shine it. But you can open it and all this gunk fell out. Alright, gonna clean all that out with this dry rag. Wish me luck, guys. Dripping. Job well done. I'm telling you. If they don't find you handsome, at least they find you handy. Red Green Show.